Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, let's make some sweet potato fries in the deep fryer. Sweet potato fries in the deep fryer. Let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, I used one sweet potato. I rinsed it and took the peeling off, and then I cut it once, twice, so it ended up with three pieces, right? And then I just cut it into slices like this. Okay, now we're gonna fry them in the deep fryer. This is my Fiberware deep fryer that I love, that I got from Walmart for $19.99. Goodbye. Okay, I'm going to put one in to test the heat of the oil. Oh yeah, we're ready. So I'm going to put them in. And I'm going to wait until they settle down, and then I'm going to put the last bit in. That was a lot for one sweet potato, right? Okay. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is age is a number. Well, that's several words, isn't it? Age is a number. You may be a senior citizen, but you might act very young. You may be 2 years old, running around saying no to everything. You may be a teenager, wanting to explore the world, don't understand why you can't do this and why you can't do that because you're ready to go. Age is a number, but your mindset could tell a different age. That's the word of the day. Where's your mind? What age are you? What age do you feel like? Some days I feel pretty good, and other days I feel very old. Age is a number. Okay, let's get back to our sweet potato fries in the deep fryer. Thanks. Okay, so let's take a look. Our sweet potato fries are cooking nicely. Now when they rise up to the top, they'll be done. But you want a little color on them as well, okay? So I'm going to let that cook for about another 2 minutes. So let's say you wanted to cook some regular white potatoes. You do it the same way, and then you don't have to buy French fries. I went to McDonald's a couple of months ago, and I believe I paid $1.70 or something like that for a large French fries. Insane, right? Okay, so other things you can use the deep fryer for. You can fry vegetables if you like. I think I'm going to show you how to fry some vegetables soon in it. You can also fry any type of meat, bacon. It could just go on and on and on. Now I'm looking at them, but I want to show you one. Show you how light they are. They're not ready. This one, you can see it's almost there, but not quite, right? So we're going to put that back in. And I'm going to get a plate so I can be prepared to take them out. I'm going to use this mesh, which came out of my air fryer. Okay, another use for it, right? Why not? I'm going to put that on there. And underneath, on top of the plate, I'm going to put this paper towel to absorb all the oil. And put this right on top. So the sweet potato fries is going to rest on the mesh, not on the paper towel. Because if it rests on the paper towel, the fries will get soggy because of sitting in the oil. I used to do that. I don't do that anymore. I do it this way. I like it better. Oh, a lot of them are to the top now. I see a little color. Okay. I like just one more minute. That's a nice color. It's already a nice bright color. I just really want it to pop. So if you guys don't have a deep fryer, I don't have much space, so this is the perfect size for me, because I wouldn't need a bigger one at one time. Okay, so I'm going to take them out. Okay, I'm going to cut that off. Okay, let me show you. Look at that. In what, less than 5 minutes? Pretty good deal, right? So you can see how this could be useful to you. Okay? Alright, let me taste for you. Here we go. Ooh, it's hot. It is hot. Mmm. Much better than white potatoes. Healthier. I say give it a try. Give it a try. You're gonna like it, okay? And cook them for the kids, so that they get used to sweet potato fries, and then they may want them more often. Okay? Alright, it's a pleasure serving you. Thanks for hanging around. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.